Today we have a 2004 Citizen L32 6M7. Machine comes with an LNS Hydrobar Express 332 bar feed. It's got Cool Blaster, high pressure coolant, parts catcher, and a chip conveyor. We're going to run the main spindle. It is 1,000 RPM currently. That's 2,500. 3,500. That's 5,000 RPM on the main. We're going to index the C. It's got a full C, as does the sub. All right. We're going to run the live tool. That's 3,000 RPM. Now we're going to run the sub spindle. 1,000 on the sub. 2,500. 3,500. That's 5,000. That's the C-axis indexing. I jog the axes now. The machine will come with the tooling that you see mounted. Okay, the mist buster unit on top of the machine also goes with it. You can inspect this machine under power in our Harrison, New Jersey warehouse. Thanks for watching.